So, getting the evidence that links to the suspect to prove that the suspect is guilty by skillful questioning and application of science instrumentation. Example, suspect left at the crime scene shoe print and fingerprint and footprint. So the suspect things like lighter, etc., ball pen, is circumstantial. But to prove another fact, the crime relate to the suspect, like unlawful trespass, burglary, murder, and murder weapon. So in rape case, the semen, fiber, hair, and pubic hair, the saliva, and the markings of the body of the suspect to the victim with a comparison. So example, the fingernail of the suspect and the victim. So bakit tinitingnan? May defensive to prove the defensive wound, the blood. So to prove that the suspect aggression, to prove the aggression, the hands of the victim. So the pubic hair, identification, application of forensic science pa rin. And the 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, the clock to determine the laceration, the position of the suspect in rape case yan, ha? Elements. Siyempre, we have a carnal knowledge. So, what's carnal knowledge? So, sa mabilis na paliwanag, sexual intercourse. So, in elements of rape, number 1, carnal knowledge or inserting any object. Laceration, ano tayo sa laceration of the organ of the victim. So, in carnal knowledge, the elements of the crime. So, nakuha mo yung elements of the crime, nakuha mo yung evidence. So, nakuha mo yung crime. Paano pinoforensic? So, either vice versa, pag nagpunta ka sa crime scene, makita mo yung crime scene, mas makakuha ka pa ng tanong investigation sa witness, informants. So, makakapag-tanong ka pa sa suspect din. So, makukuha mo lahat with kailangan alam mo ang application of forensic and law procedure. Diba? And how to make interrogation, tactical interrogation. So, yun po So, meron tayong tatlo na ano. So, kukunin mo yung principal. So, sino bang principal? Must be at the scene of the commission of the crime. Personally, direct taking part of execution. So, and yun ang principal So, sa mga tweet, mastermind. So, accomplice, a person who helps another in the commission of the crime. So, accomplice. So, tinulungan niya. So, ito yung lookout. So, accessories are those who have knowledge of the commission of the crime without having participated but assisting themselves or assisting offender to profit by the effects of the crime. So, example na lang, medyo magulo to no? So, sa in principal, mastermind. So, siya yung nag-utos. Siya yung pinaka-puno. Accomplice. Siya yung tumulong. So, pwedeng maging accessories, lookout, pwede rin. Pero ang pinaka-accomplish yung tumulong. So, example, shoplifting, principal, nag-utos, financier, accomplice, yung nag-shoplift. Accessories, mga tagatingin niya, mga alagad niya. So, principal, accomplice, accessories. So, basta titignan mo yung elements of the crime. So, assisting themselves or assisting offender to profit by the effects of the crime. So, accessories. So, basta, kasi iba kasi para makaligtas, sinasabi, wala po akong alam dyan, hindi ko po alam yan. Hindi ko po, ano lang po ako, driver lang po ako. Driver, principal, accomplice, accessories. So, aalamin nyo yung intention, yung motive. So, yung intention, yung motive, para maging felony under Article 3. So, criminal law. So, felony, so intentionally, na yung tao so criminal. So, felony, criminal, liability. So, kung halimbawa hindi niya alam, edi wala siya sa crime, hindi siya sa crime, pero kailangan i-prove niya. Pero kung alam niya, knowledge nga kung alam niya, kasama siya. So, doon mo kung tingnan kung principal o accomplice o accessories. Driver, so pwede nga accomplice yan. Depende sa niya. Or accessories. So, kaya nga may elements ang crime. So, yan. Ito, pagagawa ko po sa inyo. Exercises. Sa mga example na binigay ko, pwede nyong tularan. So, make a crime scene and gathered evidence. And make initial report and final report. So, marami po tayong pwedeng yun. Yan lang muna. Make a crime scene and gathered evidence. So, reconstruct your own crime scene. Pero siya, parang report type. And make initial report and final report. Or pwede i-sketch na rin. I-sketch, i-drawing, isusulat yung crime scene. Ilalagay yung mga evidence. Tapos, gagawa ka pa ng initial report and final report. So, basta importante, give the crime, elements of the crime, find witness, victim, and suspect, and the evidence, and make a crime scene reconstructions. So, madami pang example So, example isa pa. A, killed B with treachery. Found at the wound at the back. So, in the evidence of comparison of knife and the fingerprint of the suspect, the evidence of treachery, the assassination is present. The assassination is present after the working place. The subject killed by the suspect. The victim killed by the suspect. So the example na investigation, suspect's knife is Browning knife. So recover the crime scene. So witness Pedro. Suspect Arnel Manalaksak. So example. So by suspect, victims, witness, interrogation. So pwede yan, kasama yan. So ilagay nyo lang dun sa report. So yun po yun po muna ang ating Salamat po.